na do batia menin mi la slap em la na do shlong te tharai ngi la kermen em kum tu ba le se tharai la slap te mat kisa ker king ka tu ka pat long kitchen gen ta sha khamat te lawan hang ni tingin poi perkhat ban hapra ta ka terpal mon mar ba la Siew ka stol ar bolai hajar te ladi banwan ken thup lang em baro kita dala poi hang ni terpal ru kham ker nalo kata to dala dep kata ko min stol ba sha khamat ru katuru kala pe left right center ya katuru la khotchis pa sin kawai ru mdan hire kita ki organizers ki ba long min bari banwan ban kali ba kalong kumno ngi complain shi pa sin ba nang tu nak khamat ru pe sha din ru mdan jingker
Ladir ki fauta hajar ta berkat fikan natit menta tang kador kan 1 kilo tang dakhan tang kador masih di batit ki badan do bad di do masih ane ki basan tang do masih kan san 5 kilo kan ki event himot ngin thi tang kilo ye tarai diki kan 1 kilo seteng ya bantian ya prepare plus kata ka fridge ki one rubber singi ka plus kataru ka fridge ki ong ba ki ka mention apa email ngi bakin ong ban off ya kalai dalam men temenen ngin haban ya karan mon ong on ya ka kalai bangin yo bu freezer tangi lai singi ting chanu ngi le chulong bani ting tian kita tama menen ngi ki ong problem
Jakumno ka jakasa jak.
yo shino kan ba angi habai la ka jong to berkat ngin ya berkat so jing sa abang teman yo ru minut ina sa amna apa teman yo ru minut kam dera na dumena ka el pan dumnen min step bagi position ningkong ki email ba first come first serve to berkat ngin ki buan na dosan baje san steng ki bakwa ningkong khamat kata ka di jinglong beriau jingi baro ningkwa ni khamat banla bande ngam tho tang yang ane nu ru tumalong kaba kham kloi long kham ba am te maria po yang ni ya do arrange lupa to melai kata kila adab ngimla ma banai ai teng adab Siew ngadab ai ngadab ai te plus kata ngi thap tiar ngi lawan buat tiar ni poi kanu beje khat ar steng na gimsa rung shu ngin hab banyang adolai beje dengila yang dolai beje kyong abdo fra beje the prabaje ki the kain pigan one do shilong kin man the daily ki bachuai to ki bon ra kali la jong iso ki ma kila ban yang ne ar so kon taro te ki bachuai kin hab yang te do prabaje men met na do lai baje kin pai kata kam de ta ka basuk da ka pisang in hab ban pelun aning la pelun di ko aja apply intan ra ni menang isyo bet no tu messenger wong bangin de messenger ba nong ban stop nak event kata meneh kata sport saw baje san baje te plus kataru aning nur fi ban shat ngata ne to hak ndir tanga ngatarai baro kibashat kishat ma lawan la tan lem no hafshat am bomnut hira kin shat kum no lor khti sudah tingin ngine yu ngine shat na ngine bam ngine ai pa ba avai la jong rum nur ban bam
arena place immediately. They do not listen to us like what we do about the food, when should we go. They're not letting us bring the cars inside to take the things. So it's not the way how things should work. Yeah.
So what is this?
And not taken it in a hasty decision, right? Okay, we should cancel today, or they should have prepared properly regarding the stalls. However, the stalls are going to be set up, how they should have protected the stalls from the rain. That's very important because see, I'm not asking them to stop the rain, but they could have done something to prevent the stalls from getting damaged, right? It's not just about the rent, because see, like we also know that things might happen, but they should also come and talk to us. Not much, just come and talk to us and give a solution, like how should we go about things in our state. And the way they have organized, it's like they haven't planned properly for it. Regarding the stalls also, right from the allotment of stalls, they have been very professional in their emails and all, but when it comes to action in the real place, No one is there to talk to. If there's any problem, we don't have anyone to go to. Also, the stalls that they have made, as per the emails, what they have promised to us, they have not delivered that. They said the stalls will be having ample of space to cooking, and then there'll be provision for proper safety and everything. They have prepared all the stalls with jute. Just imagine if there's some mishaps and all the stalls get burned. That will be a blunder, right? And also, like, they could have taken care of the rain and all. I mean, like, they cannot stop the rain from coming, but they can do something that can prevent the stalls from getting damaged and all. Also, the equipments, everything has been spoiled. So who will bear all those losses for us? The food has been prepared. They should have informed from the morning that the plan is going to be cancelled, the event is going to be cancelled. They are informing after 4:30. So that's not the way how these international events should be done in the state.